If you want to travel places during lockdown, read books. Welcome to the Weekend Reading Inspiration. The book I'm going to discuss today is called The Google Story. It's again available on LinkedIn for a free download. Google Story, of course, as the name says, is the story of our very own Google and how Google came into inception. It started in 1998, and this book was written by David A. Weiss when Google was celebrating its 10th anniversary. It's a very gripping tale with a lot of wit and humor. The story of Larry Page and Sergey Brin, that how they really converted their idea into such a huge business. Google today is the most preferred employer. For most of us, it's one of the dream companies, and how it innovates is something we all know. So how all this happened and so quickly, and why I am recommending this book, and especially for anyone who is into a startup or is planning an entrepreneurship, or have an idea that we all want to really sort of succeed and do a lot of things, but what really works? And this is just not Google, but for most of the be it Facebook or ideas which has really worked, that how they generated. So go back to Google, going back to Google story, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, they did not had any idea that how to run a business. In fact, when they had this idea of a search engine, of really getting all the information together on the web, they had no clue that how they're going to generate business from it, how they're going to generate revenue from it. But they were so passionate about the whole idea, that the possibility that you can really get the entire data, all the information present into one place in web, and anyone anywhere just on the click can access that data. That was overwhelming. That idea was, they just want to translate into reality without knowing that if it can work, or it can give us what investment it will need, and if it can generate, if it can be a good business model or not. But they went ahead, and today we can't live without Google, right? Of course, they also hired, once they were into they were already at a place, they have created a place for themselves. But business, they really did not know to sustain. They obviously need to have a good business model so that they can grow and sustain and innovate more. And that's how they bought Eric Schmidt on the board, who helped both of them to really make Google what it is today. So pick this book on the weekend. Just not about if only for startups or entrepreneurs, but I think it's very inspirational, and especially in today's day and times, it could be the most inspirational thing. And why and how our idea is viable. Is it serving a need? Is it a solution to a problem which exists, or is it to make human lives better, maybe more easier? So if your idea addresses any of these, it is worth exploring, maybe failing, but translating it into reality. So if you are one of those, you definitely should read the book. But I think anyone, it's quite an easy read, not too heavy. Anyone can pick up this book and read. So happy weekend, stay well, stay safe. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks.